Today, we're talking about renovating rental properties, and I've got a fantastic tip for you. Look to hotels for your inspiration. So, I'm at the Bahia Principe in Mexico, and that's where I'm getting this gorgeous setting right behind me. And that's where I got the inspiration for this video. So, let's talk a little bit more. Hotels are experts in creating inviting and functional spaces that keep guests coming back for more. So, why not take a page from their playbook when renovating your rental properties? For instance, consider upgrading your kitchen with sleek modern appliances and luxurious countertops, just like you'd find in a high end hotel suite. Or take inspiration from hotel bathrooms by installing rainfall shower heads, elegant tile work, and plenty of storage space for your guest toiletries. By incorporating elements from hotels into your rental properties, you can elevate the guest experience and attract more tenants willing to pay a premium for comfort and style. So, next time you're renovating, don't forget to look to hotels for inspiration. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, who you work with matters.